Subscribe Mr. Avinash YouTube channel and press the bell icon for regular updates on travel, lifestyle and tutorial videos coming every week.
Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Avinash here, and yeah, today we are going to talk about the new app in the market, Igtv or Instagram TV, which they are saying to be a YouTube killer or the new competitor. So yeah, first let's see what the app is all about and all the features they have in this app, and later we will discuss about the different things which you get with the Igtv app. So yeah, let's get started. So yeah, as you can see, there is a beautiful icon out here for Igtv. We'll be opening this. Okay, so first impression, there is a beautiful vertical video playing of MKBHD, the famous tech YouTuber, and then as you can see, when I press the browse button, there will be 4 tabs: for you, following, popular and continue watching. So the for you tab is for you, like all the different videos which will be suggested by Instagram for you and the content creators which you follow. As you can see here, all the content creators which I follow, their videos are out there. Then there's the following tab where you will only see the videos of the content creators you follow on Instagram. Then we go to the popular tab, and yeah, the popular tab is mostly the trending tab of YouTube, which are like kind of viral in the Instagram algorithm, which are suggesting me to watch these videos. As you can see, there are like videos of 5 minutes, 4 minutes, 2 minutes. I don't see any longer videos, but yeah, they say that you can upload a video of 60 minutes in the Igtv app compared to the 1 minute videos of Instagram. Then there's the continue watching tab. The continue watching tab is mostly the videos which you have not yet watched fully. Like you just click the video and you want to watch it later, you can go to the continue watching tab where you can like complete the video. And after the tab, there's the search Igtv. Where if you click, you will be able to search some of the channels. So yeah, they are also calling IGTV accounts as channels, but yeah, these are the original accounts from Instagram, and you will retain all the followers or following once you start submitting your videos in IGTVs. That's a good feature because they retain all the followers from Instagram to IGTV. So whenever you post a video, all the followers who are using IGTV of yours will be able to see your videos in their IGTV. And yeah, the search has not yet been fully developed because you can only search for creators out here. Like I can only search for different channels like Fun for Louis if they are there on the IGTV app. As you can see that Fun for Louis has not yet opted for IGTV, so his channel is not visible. Instead, when I search for MKBHD, it will be there. And yeah, that is something you need to opt first to start using the Igtv app. And yeah, as you can see, there is a beautiful interface for you to watch the vertical videos. So there's the title, the content creators account, and then there's the views and comments, and then there's the same features like Instagram. You have the heart button, the comment button, the plane button, and then there's the 3 dot icons where you can report the video if it's some copyright issues are there or some other problems. Then there's the copy link, same as Instagram. Then there's the browse button where you can instantly go to the videos, like the different tabs where you can search for videos and watch them. And yeah, if you want to see your Igtv profile, you just click on this small icon here where you can see all the followers and the different details, just like Instagram. Like to upload the videos, you just click on the profile and then go to plus. Here you can upload the different videos out here, and as you can see, this is one of the video about like 50 seconds, and press next and you can fill in the details like the title, description, make visible on Facebook page. You can change the cover, upload from camera roll, or choose a cover from video. And yeah, that's it for the app. These are the different features and things which you would love to know about the app. And yeah guys, that was the app. Like I showed you guys how the app works. There are the different tabs, search, how to upload a video and stuff. So yeah, let's talk about how excited I am about the app. So I have uploaded like 1-2 videos and I'm seeing that I'm getting views from the followers of mine, and so far the interface and everything looks good on Igtv app, but I don't feel like this can be called a YouTube killer as of now, because there are still people who are to come on Igtv. But yeah, the main problem of the Igtv app, as I feel, is the vertical videos and also the 60 minutes long video, which is the main feature they are targeting. And yeah, I feel that I won't be interested in watching a vertical video for like not even more than 10 minutes. So I don't know what will be the future of this app, but yeah, watching a video for like 2-3 minutes was kind of good as a vertical platform. But For me personally, 2-3 minutes vertical videos are good enough to watch. I don't know if 1 hour videos or even a 10 minutes video will be something which people might be interested in watching for so long, holding the phone in a vertical position. But yeah, let's see what the future for IGTV app holds, because till now I'm not game that it's kind of a YouTube competitor, because the number of video content creators on YouTube is way much. Also the viewership of the videos is much more. So yeah, I think the second big thing which will be coming to the IGTV app will be the search, where you'll be able to search for more videos, because I don't think every video on Instagram has all the metadata or like the title and description properly collected, which will be required for making a good search for IGTV. Yeah, this was a quick video about the IGTV or the Instagram TV app, where I showed you guys the different features and what I felt about the apps. I have two questions for you, like would you be interested in making vertical videos if you are a content creator, and also would you be interested to watch like 60 minutes video or even a 10 to 20 minutes video when you are using the IGTV app? So comment down below these two answers, and anything you have to ask from me, like any query about the IGTV app, I'll be answering those. Or like we can start a discussion thread, or I'll be discussing the different features which can help this app grow big, because I'm interested to see some awesome vertical video content. But yeah, let's see what happens in the future. So yeah, see you guys in the next one. Avinash signing off. Bye bye.